Video 851, BFJ 151. Let's get into it. So in the legal stuff macros, we have two new monkey wrench macros. If we're using these should not exist because bomb simp and bomb hard are wrapped by bomb off, so we should be using bomb off on. We should never use these identifiers in the code. Okay, down here in data by system, we have added the bomb auth flag. So data belonging to bomb auth, is the bomb auth system on? By default, it's going to be on, but this code is only going to be running when it's on and we're also in game mode. If we're in editor mode, we don't want to run the bomb auth simulation code. Within keyboard master, we have this prevent default bullshit function, and we've added a modification to it. If the Alt key is pressed, and in conjunction with the Alt key, we also have the E key pressed, then we need to say that we've detected default bullshit behavior. In Chrome, Alt-E opens up a context menu, and we don't want that to happen, right? Because Alt-E is for going into editor mode in our engine. So we've added this right here, and then all the way down at the bottom, this isn't new, but all the way at the bottom, if this flag is turned on, then we call keyboard event .prevent default to stop that context menu from popping up in Chrome. In function mouse master force update, nothing has changed. However, we need to figure out how to fix this. This function doesn't know what it's supposed to do when it's in game mode. It only knows what it's supposed to do in editor mode. So now we have to start thinking about this because we don't want the game to be crashing whenever we move the mouse in game mode, right? So we're gonna have to fix that in the next video or very soon. Here's what we did previously, footnotes, and then what we did in this video. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You have been here on the fast code review. Fast code reviews, long code reviews, tech demos, source code, ways of getting a hold of me. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry side-scroller Bomberman MMO. It's a kind of like GoldenEye mixed with Bomberman, right? Because the bombs are GoldenEye-style proximity mines with directional blasts, and the mechanics is basically like Pocket Bomberman. I'm open sourcing the codebase, and I'm documenting every single fucking goddamn line of code. So if you want to see how a game engine is made from complete scratch, or want to see where the project is going, then you need to like, subscribe, and follow.